Hi everyone, my name is Erik Leon, and this is my fifth year here at NAU through the Interdisciplinary Global Program. I'd like to briefly talk to you about my time abroad in high-end Spain, focusing on my internship, the improvement of catalytic converters and rapid manufacturing, as well as the cultural and linguistic patterns I noticed while abroad. So as a brief introduction, my language of study is Spanish, and my subject major here at NAU is mechanical engineering. My host country was, of course, Spain, and the university I studied at while abroad was the Universidad de Jaén in Jaén, Spain. As some brief background on Jaén, Spain, because it is smaller and lesser known, it is located in the southern portion of Spain, specifically Andalusia, and it is very remote compared to other cities in Spain. It's about a 4-hour train ride to Madrid. Um, Locally, it's considered to be the olive oil capital of the world. In the photo on the right, all of the green that you can see past the city are olive trees, and they continue planting them to this day. And in the 7th century BC, this town was originally populated by Iberians who were eventually conquered by the Romans in 1st century BC. But either way, this location is very old. As for my internship, it had two portions. The main one was 3D printing or rapid manufacturing. This involved using two materials, glaze and PLA, and experimenting with their ideal orientation and geometry in the printer to come out as transparent as possible. It's considered rapid manufacturing because it was back-to-back-to-back prints of different orientations to get as much done as quickly as possible. On the top left, we have one of those transparent prints. It's a millimeter thick, and as you can see completely through it with the paper behind it. And in the bottom left, we have a Creality printer, which we use to print our prototypes of catalytic converters, which of course is the second part of the internship. Catalytic converters are in cars, and they work by using palladium, rhodium, and platinum to convert harmful gases like carbon monoxide into less harmful gases like carbon dioxide and water vapor. Because of the precious material compound used, they are very hot targets for car thieves and robbers. And so the goal of our project was to reduce the size of them without reducing their efficiency, therefore making them less valuable and less likely to be stolen. To do this, we experimented with an exhaust pipe connected to a heat pump to measure the temperature throughout the pipe as well as the carbon dioxide emissions at the end of it. Culturally, the people in Spain are very direct. They will tell you if they don't like you. They will not feign a smile. They will not pretend to like you if they don't. They will tell you exactly what they think when they think it. Besides this, they are pretty reserved. If you are meeting a stranger, like a waitress or a hostess, they are simply there to do their job. They will not ask you how your day is. They won't ask you really anything. It is simply, where do you want to sit? Here's your food. And then lastly, Spain is also very relaxed. They are known for their siesta hours from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., where everyone gets off work, has lunch, takes a nap, whatever they'd like to do in that time. Linguistically, Spain is also known for the ceteo, which is where soft C's and Z's are pronounced like THs. They use the vos tense instead of tú or ustedes. And lastly, Andalusia in particular practices the aspiration of final S's, which is any word that has an S at the end of it, they tend to drop that sound altogether. So the word gracias would be pronounced gracia. So that's all for now. I hope my presentation has intrigued you enough that you come see me at Summit, and I hope to see you there. Thank